Oh, make me over. I'm all I wanna be.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Tarte's new Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette. Now behold the beauty I'm about to show you. I was super excited when I heard that they were coming out with this. I am a big fan of everything mermaid. My favorite Disney movie is The Little Mermaid ever since I was in elementary school when it came out. Yes, I'm that old. It's like my all-time favorite. So anyways, when I heard that they were coming out with this, I was super excited. And yeah, I can't wait to review this for you guys. So sit back and let's do this. First of all, let's just talk about the packaging. I am obsessed with this packaging. It's like, I want to say like a fake leather kind of feel. It's literally like the size of my hand. And it does come with a mirror inside, as you can see. And let's just get a close-up on these. Now, because it has a reflective casing, it's not really gonna be able to, it might not look the best on camera, but I'll insert a photo so that way you can get a closer look of what the colors and some of the names of the colors are. Now on the inside is one of my favorite parts of it. They have printed on the mirror 99% mermaid, which is so cute. I think this is so cute. Now if you have a young child who's starting to get into makeup and they are a fan of mermaids, this would be like the ultimate gift. I think they would just cry if they got this. This is so cute. So yeah, it is also cruelty free, which I'm like, yes. It has a 12-month shelf life. And although the pan size, each little pan size is kind of small, but I think it's worth it. It's definitely not cheap feeling. And it's a purchase price of $42, which might be a little tad bit pricey. I would have thought maybe for the size, somewhere in the range of maybe the 30s. I would even say maybe $39 at least. But Tarte's eyeshadows are really good. Like, I love their eyeshadow palettes. Now, when I purchased this, I did have to purchase it through Sephora. It was not available on their website at the time it came out. So it is officially now on their website. When it first came out, it wasn't on their website, so I had to get it through Sephora. But yeah, so it is officially on their website now. Now, I haven't tested this out yet, so I'm gonna do a look, my version of a mermaid look, and test how these feel and how they blend and how they work. Let's get started. And here are the swatches. These are the matte colors. These are the shimmer colors. So it's 3 mattes and 11 shimmers. go back in with bubbles, but I'm going to use my finger. I thought by using my finger I would intensify the color, but it pretty much stayed the same. Now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe remover and clean up underneath my eyes because there is a lot of fallout from these shadows. So yep, as you can see. So right here I'm just using a peach eyeliner from NYX. It's actually an eyeliner duet and it's in the number 888 Unforgettable. So I actually went ahead and did my foundation and concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this highlighter bar from Wet n Wild, and it's from their Midnight Mermaid collection. And I'm also using the Morphe highlighting brush in M510. Now on my lips, I'm going to be using a color called Star Witness from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. I didn't go dramatic because I wanted you to get the full effect of the color. And this is the final look. I decided to insert a photo instead of showing you on video because sometimes the video doesn't really show you the true color. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.
Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.